everybody, and welcome to the very first episode of Treat Yourself. Comes from Parks and Rec. I did not make it up, okay? Tom from Parks and Rec made it up. Treat yourself is a thing that you do when you just need to feel like you the queen, like you got what you need. And let me just tell you, I treated myself this weekend. This is nothing crazy. I mean, this is not like I'm a professional YouTuber and I spent $5,000 at Sephora this weekend. No, that's not what it is. But what it is, okay. What it is that I went and repurchased some things I've been wanting to try. Some things that are a little bit of lifestyle. I have some candles. I have some vitamins I'm gonna show you. Very exciting things. And also some sunscreen and makeup. So let me just get into it. I promise you there are some exciting things here. I'm just making it seem more dull than it is. This really is exciting for me, and this is my stuff. This is what I love. So let's get into it. The first section I went to was, of course, the Pixie section in Target. I went a little ham over there. In my first episode of To Buy, or Buy Buy Buy, as in sync, Bye Bye Bye. I don't know if anyone got that reference, by the way, in that, but that's what I was going for. I, anyways, ran out of the Glow Tonic To Go Pixie Treats. And so I went ahead and repurchased some more of these. These are awesome. I have not opened them because I didn't want to open anything, because I think that's what you're supposed to do when you do these types of videos. I don't know why I decided to follow the rules this time. But I kept everything closed so I could show you. But it comes in a little container and jar like this, and there's 60 in here. It's not too bad as far as price point. They just come on little pads like this. They're exfoliating, 5% glycolic acid. Peel pads, they have aloe vera, they have ginseng. Very refreshing to the skin. Great everyday toners. You can use them morning and night for these toning pads. Love them. I have already used them. And then something new I'm gonna try, because I'm really into glycolic acid, is the Pixie Overnight Glow Serum with 10% glycolic acid and aloe vera. So this is more of an overnight treatment. It's got cucumber, again it has aloe vera, and obviously glycolic acid. So it looks like it comes with, it's a 1 ounce bottle like this, and it has a dropper pipette. Dropper, that's the new word for this. This is obviously twice as potent as the Glow Tonic To Go, 10% glycolic acid, 5% glycolic acid. So you don't want to overuse this, and definitely it's going to be more powerful because it's not a pad, it's literally just the gel of the glycolic acid in this formula. So it says use 2 to 3 drops onto cleansed skin before moisturizer in the PM, so at night. I'm gonna try this. I'm super excited. I always love glycolic acid, and glycolic acid does really well for my skin. So very thrilled to try that product. And then lastly, because I love Carolyn Hirons, who is a beauty blogger. She has done a lot of things, beauty editor, and she also has her own YouTube channel, and she's from the UK. So she actually partnered with Pixie to create this double cleanse. And this is a solid cleansing oil and a cleansing cream. So I'm really excited. It has vitamin E, camellia oil, and evening primrose oil. It's supposed to be really awesome to remove your makeup. And looks like there's the cleansing oil and the cleansing balm. So you can use both in a double cleanse to your skin to remove the makeup with first the oil, and then to cleanse your skin with the cream once the makeup has all been taken off. Very excited to try out that product. Those are my Pixie products. Done. Check the box. We crushed Target. And a $100 bill. Almost. Not quite. Next up we have some more skincare, and this is because I have been thinking to myself, Cassie, you are getting older. You are almost a quarter of a century old, and you probably should wear SPF that is at least as old as you are. So I need to be wearing SPF that's at least 25. Now for my face, I went ahead and bought an SPF 50. This is the Michelle Dermaceuticals Sun Shield Liquid SPF 50. And it's actually got a color to it, so it's nude, light, medium. I purchased this at Sprouts. You shake it up. It's UVA, UVB, and it has a matte finish. It's a zinc oxide sunscreen. And I'm gonna show, oh, hello. Okay. Let's see if it's, ooh, very liquidy. I love that. So it looks like this. So it does have a slight color to it. The thing that really intrigued me is it's SPF 50 and it's super thin. So I could totally wear that by itself or under makeup. And it has a matte finish, so it's not gonna like look super greasy, doesn't have a white cast. I'm super excited about that. SPF 50 for the face. My neck, I'm not so concerned with wearing such a high SPF, especially because I like to wear fragrance, I like to wear other things. So for my neck, I bought an SPF 15 brightening moisturizer with vitamin C, and this is by Mineral Fusion. It's supposed to softly illuminate the skin. And this is also a zinc oxide sunscreen. I will try it on my wrist right here once I open it. Gosh, shake it up. And we'll try it. Ooh, it's very watery. I'm fine with that, but you can see very drippy. And it looks like it's got a soft illumination. It smells kind of citrusy, so I don't mind that. And it looks like it's got a nice little radiance to it, so I think that'll be really nice on my neck. And then décolleté, Taj Mahal, whatever that word is. So we'll try it out. I think it'll be great. I need to protect this, okay, people? Like I said, the clock is going clockwise, okay? It is not going counterclockwise, so let's face the truth. Makeup. In my to buy or not to buy, showed that I was out of my favorite foundation, and literally I am out of it. Like, I've scraped my face with the plastic part because I'm trying to get something out of the stick. So I repurchased Makeup Forever Ultra HD foundation stick, which is my very favorite foundation. So I'm not gonna, you know, move it all up here in case it just decides to kerplunk and fall out of this $43 plastic container. So I'll just show you a little bit here. But I'm the color 225Y and love this foundation. Went to Sephora to get that. And then I've also been liking to wear nude lip colors, so I wanted something super nude, like almost concealer, but not quite. And so I got the color Respect. Respect, people. R-E-S-P-E-C-T. Don't know what it means to me. Respect Extreme Laura Mercier, and this is the matte velour lipstick. Comes in the same thing as their eyeshadows come in. Where's their eyeshadow? So their eyeshadow comes in these little stick forms too, so it's almost identical. But this is a nude color, and like I said, it's called Respect. There it is. That is the color right there, Respect. I'm respecting it. So there's that. And lastly, for the beauty stuff that's not makeup or skincare. Kind of skincare, but not really. These are something that I've wanted to try for a long time. They're collagen, basically hyaluronic acid, vitamin C, collagen chew. You take 2 of these a day, so there's a 30-month supply in here. And it's supposed to smooth skin, help strengthen hair and nails, give your skin hydration and renewal, and also it has a all-natural delicious flavor. And actually, they're not bad. So they come in this bag. They're fruit punch flavored, which is not usually my jam. It brings me back to like the gummy bear days of kid vitamins that I hid under the couch. So I'm not really a super fan of fruit punch flavor, but these are not bad. They come in little individual candy wrap things. Kind of makes you feel like you're having candy in the morning. And I've actually just kept them in my vanity area, on my vanity, so that I can have them in the morning when I'm doing my makeup and I don't forget to take my vitamins, because I forget my multivitamin almost every day. So not doing so hot in that department. And lastly, a department I am doing very hot in for more than one punny reason is candles. So I went to Bath & Body Works and they already have some fall candles out, which I'm like, yes, please. I love the fall candles. I love the winter candles. It is my jam, okay? A few days ago, we were 5 months away from Christmas. Palpitations in my heart, because I love Christmas, especially Christmas music, and I'm so excited. So I got hot cocoa and cream, which in my kitchen, I have one of these right now, and it literally smells like hot cocoa and cream, and not fake. Okay, you're gonna burn this and it's literally going to smell like hot cocoa and cream, not, oh, I bought a candle that says it's hot cocoa and cream and it smells like nothing, because we've all been there. And actually, Bath & Body Works, some of their candles do that to me, and I forgive them for it, because there are candles like this that they just take me there. So I got 2 hot cocos and cream. I got another marshmallow fireside, which is another one of my favorites. I don't know, I'm doing this like you can smell it, because you can't, but this is, I don't know how to describe this. It's, you know, then it loses the scent without burning for a second, so let me just recharge. It does smell like marshmallows. It's a hint of like a sugar cookie too, but then it also has like an undertone of musk. So it's really nice because it's a kind of cookie-ish sweet smell, but also you could put it like in your bathroom or in your bedroom and you're not gonna feel like you're in your kitchen baking cookies. So it's got a little bit of both, and I really love that one. And then one that I got that I have not had before, but my husband was like, yeah, I really like that, because I make him smell all of these when I bring them home. He likes it. This is flannel, and it is, it smells like a cross between a Christmas tree and good men's cologne. So it's very, it just kind of like wraps you up in that good smelling scent of maybe, yeah, like men's body wash that's got a hint of pine to it. It's really good. So at Bath & Body Works this weekend, I don't know how long the sale goes, but it was buy 2 get 2 free. These are not cheap candles, but they do last quite a while, and it's just kind of one of those little luxury items that I like to have. So this is my Treat Yourself episode number 1, and I really hope you enjoyed it. I'm gonna do these whenever I allow myself to purchase things, which honestly I'm really good about now, because I used to work at the mall at a cosmetic company and I was not so good about it then. But I am now, because I'm a working adult. So this is the stuff that I bought. I will end up using these in tutorials. This is makeup and skincare especially, and I'm sure you'll hear more about the candles. As you can tell, I love candles. They're burning behind me right now. They always burn everywhere in our house. So thanks for watching, and I really hope you enjoyed. It was a laid back video. I'm a little chatty right now because it's the end of the day and I get excited to talk about this kind of stuff anytime. So see you next time. Bye. It's raining. It's raining. I'm just gonna stay here with my blue sky. Listen to the rain fall from the sky. Alicia, we're here.
When I think about the way